So this is Xiaomi's HyperOS and it is coming alongside the Xiaomi 14 flagship phone. Now yes, it is quite similar to the MIUI 14 and that's cause they likely share same code base. You guys can even install HyperOS apps and UI on top of MIUI 14. But there are so many changes in there, it is fine to ditch MIUI now and launch the new UI as HyperOS. See, the hate for MIUI is real because of so many issues, bugs, and not so fast and stable software support they had. Not to mention, we all know they used to show so many ads, not now, but like 5 to 6 years back, I guess. So yes, the blame is gonna be on MIUI no matter how hard Xiaomi try and launch MIUI 15 or 16 or 17. So no doubt this HyperOS will attract a lot of customers and I can only hope Xiaomi tried their best to fix all the issues we had in MIUI. There should be no ads or bloatwares. They have to earn their trust again. So here I have HyperOS apps and UI on my Xiaomi 13 Pro running MIUI 14, and first off, lock screen customization is coming and there are so many clock styles to pick from. You guys can change the color of clock, font, size, and yes, we do have depth effect but only for signature as of now and not the clock. So yeah, quite similar to iOS and Pixel UI but like with so many additional options and I like this change a lot. Then we have new control center and again very similar to iOS and MIUI. The new now playing media player of HyperOS is clean as well, so no doubt these changes are massive. Some UI changes in dialer. Message. Clock. Weather. The camera app is gonna have some new UI changes as well. I was not able to install it on my Xiaomi 13 Pro, but here are some screenshots from China which showed that there are some changes in the camera app as well. In these settings, we have new UI for wallpaper and personalization, and again the lock screen customization section is huge. There are so many changes and so many customization you can do right now. So no shocker overall, I think a massive redesign in there, and again all I hope is it is stable and there are no less issues in there. The HyperOS is coming this month on 31st October. The global launch may happen in December, I guess, and some of the latest devices will receive it on top of MIUI. So yes, it is gonna replace MIUI for some of the devices. So this all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.